Alright, 2.2, number 41. You're asked to find the minimum, maximum, domain range, and where the function increases and decreases. And we haven't talked about increasing and decreasing yet, so it makes sense that there'd be a question about that. So first thing we have to do is find the vertex of that parabola. So vertex is the opposite of b over 2a. So a is -1, b is -4, c is -2. We don't need c, but there it is. So the opposite of b, so it's the opposite of -4 over 2 times a. So we get -2. So our vertex is -2 comma something. Then you can plug -2 into the original equation. So it'd be y equals the opposite of -2 squared minus 4 times -2 minus 2. So -4 plus 8 is 4 minus 2 is 2. Do that again. So -4 plus 8 is 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so our vertex is -2, 2. This opens down because of the negative out front. So we have a maximum. And the maximum and minimum is always the y value of the vertex, so we have a maximum of 2. The domain, there's no restrictions on the domain, so it'd be all real numbers, goes forever to the left and forever to the right. And then the range, since it opens down and it has a maximum of 2, the range means that all y values are going to be less than or equal to 2. Alright, so that's as much as you could have done. I'll just finish the problem even though I haven't taught you increasing or decreasing. So if it's -2, 2, oops, like that's what our parabola might look like. It increases right here. Okay, it's increasing until it gets to the very high point. That probably makes sense to you. Okay, so we're climbing all the way until we get to there. So our increasing and decreasing is based on our x value. So our x value is going to increase until it gets to right there, which is -2. Okay, so it's increasing to get right there, and we're only talking along the x-axis. So what are the x values where it's increasing? Yeah, it's increasing at -3. It's increasing at -4. It increases until it gets all the way up to -2. So we'll say for x less than -2, it's increasing. And then afterwards, right here, is where it starts to decrease. So it's going to decrease after -2. So -1 and 1, and forever to the right, it's going to decrease. So for all x values greater than -2, it's going to decrease.